Filters functions. Filters are basically used to filter your record set. If you have large number of a record you want to manipulate or you want to process some, you want to filter your data and based on some conditions, you can use the filters function. This is most fastest way and easy to use. So here let's understand practically. Okay, I have created one list object student info in which I have list of 4 students. So first of all, let's create in a traditional way. Okay. So what I will do, I will just iterate through this student info in for each loop. I want to filter record whose age is greater than 30. Okay, or greater than 25. Let's say 25. Let me declare here suppose p underscore value. Okay. Here what I will do, I will create empty array. This is not array but this is a object array. In this we will add a object dot push, I will say p value. This is the entire object. Okay. Console dot log. Before moving to next, first let's check what this prints. If I refresh here, okay, it is printing all the elements. I want to filter out that print only those value or object whose age value is greater than 25. So I will put the condition here. If my p value dot age is greater than 25, then only add the object inside this list and print that list. We can check in the browser now. Refresh. Yes, I can see all the 3 records of student whose age is greater than 25. So what is the problem here? Problem is you have a complex code or you have not a very what you say, it is looks so complex to understand what exactly logic is. Now how we can make this easy using the filter functions. So using filter, I will comment this code where student list above 25 age equal to student info dot filter as a function p value return. Okay, here you have to return your final list. P value dot age is greater than 25. Okay, this looks so simple using the filter function. Let me log here console dot log student info. We can check same this in browser now. Let me refresh. Correct, I am getting the same output again, 29, 28, 38. So this is how filter function works, which is more easy to understand. It is less complex and it is very easy to maintain. Now let's make it more easy than this implementation. How we can achieve that is we can achieve by using fat arrow functions. I will remove this function. I'll say arrow. This is a single statement. No return is required here. Removing semicolon. Okay. I have printed this. I will say comma age above 25. I'm printing this. Okay. So ideally it should print again same result. Let's check in the browser. Let me refresh here. Yes, I can see these 3 results age about 25. So this is how filter works with the arrow functions. Thank you for watching ES6 session. If you have any doubts, any queries, please put in the comment section.